Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm here in the peak of mountain Erçiyes now, and there is a farmland. We have so many cows here. We are coming here to buy our 100% organic milk, pure milk for cows. See, is the cow. Hi. He's not talking to me. No, she's talking with me because I have brought some grass for her. I think she is happy. No, she doesn't want to talk to anything else. Hey, sweetie. No. She doesn't want to eat anything now. Let's see. Let's make video of more cows here. They also have organic eggs, chicken, and sometimes they also have a lamb. Let me show you their chicken. Wow, all are beard chicken. Ah, 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 ah. This one is Baba, I think. The king one. The giant. Oh, oh, oh.